Today we're gonna explaining about how to reprogram your mind for success. How to reprogram your mind for success. Okay, I think you get ready for this program today. If this is your first time on this program, don't forget about to sub on this video and click your notification button. And make sure to share this video to your friend or with your mom or if with your dad. So let's get started. How to reprogram your mind for success. To reprogram your mind for success, you gotta understand two things. First, your environment, and then the next one is what you need. What you need. What do I exactly in your life? To master or to understand your environment, at the first time in the morning, you gotta understand what you're doing. The first thing you listen to in the morning, it is so powerful. It is so powerful. The first thing you listen to in the morning. For example, if you listen to a motivational speaker, you listen to affirmation, you listen to kind of thing like that, that makes your brain to get ready for success at the first time in the morning. That's all what I'm saying here. And what is the thing you're looking for in your home, in front of you? For example, if you have a vision board, I think that it doesn't work like that. What I mean is you gotta have a vision board. For example, let me show mine. Here, this is the vision board. This is vision board. You see? This is vision board. At this one, it is time. And for this next one is lion. If you're a lion like me, can you tag 3 people on this video? I'm trying to ask you. Can you tag 3 people on this video or share this video to somebody else? I think you are a lion. You watch this video right now. You are a lion. Okay. The first one is, as what I've said, first one is you gotta understand your environment. The thing who you listen to at the first time in the morning, and the second one is the thing you're looking at in your home to get yourself to get ready for success, and the place where you want to go in when you're going out from your home, your friends, your environments. That's all what I'm saying. And the next one is what you want. What do I exactly? What do I exactly? Try to answer this question at the first time in the morning. Every morning, try to ask that kind of question like that. What I want today? What should I do today? Because we are working here on the subconscious mind. When we are working on subconscious mind, we produce much more thing. We make a better thing on the place. As what I'm doing today, before I make this video, I'm trying to think about this first, and then I get in front of this camera to explain it kind of thing like this video. I think that you're knowing exactly what you want in your life, and you're trying to understand who you are exactly. What I want. What should I do in my daily life? What should I do in my community? What should I do of the day of my life of contribution? And then you feel, or you will see that life changing for you, and maybe you will understand who you are exactly, what is exactly you could serve with a bunch of people all around the world. I think that you got all what I'm saying. Okay, that's all for today. Get ready for your life. Make sure that you have a better life. You're not alone, and somebody else can grow with you, and you can teach somebody else too. That's all for today. I appreciate your link. I appreciate your thumbs up. I appreciate your share. I appreciate all you're doing. Next time again, if you like this video, if you like this program, make sure to follow, and the link is below on the description.